when I started Global TV, I was inspired by Dr. Kalam. And I really wanted to make a difference in the country.
I'm so taken aback by his humbleness, and he was more into bringing about a change in the country. It was more about it. And the youth, especially the youth.
I don't know whether my humility or my sincerity made Dr. Kalam to appreciate me.
Oh, wow, that's wonderful.
And we released a prayer song composed by Kalam himself and
Okay.
sung by Usha Udup when he was President of India.
Okay.
These all things happened because of, actually, when I started Global TV, it was started only with a dream, nothing else. I did not invest any money into the project.
Okay.
And it undergone into different difficulties, problems, and all those things. And it is emerged in this way.
Okay.
What I realized is simple thing. Whatever kind of money I bring to this platform, it will not help me to achieve what I want. If at all I wanted to achieve what I want, that means reputed people should come to work with me. I realized I cannot achieve my target with whatever kind of money. If I get 1,000 crore rupee to invest in the project also, I will not be able to achieve my target.
Okay.
Only by bringing extremely dedicated, super power, sincere people only I can achieve this target. This I realized.
Okay.
And such people are not available to buy in the market. You cannot offer them so much money and get them. They are not available. Such kind of people only can make a change in our country, I realized.
True.
And immediately I had a wisdom to know, if I want someone to work with me, the easiest way is to work for them. I reached a level, if I see a person 1 kilometer distance, I will be able to know whether this person is super worth. Unnatural people, they cannot be challenged with any kind of what you call temptations. So such people we are connecting. So last 20 years, not 20 days, 20 years of my life, I put me into the frying pan, literally into the frying pan, and went through such a kind of struggle, and I established such 1,000 people connected with the Global TV. Not 1 or 2 or 3 or 10 people.
Absolutely.
My target was 1,000. Now the number is crossed 1,000. It is not 1,000, it is beyond. And the people who are connected and associated and who are willing to do something are all very, very high profile people.
Okay.
Now, then I realized the real activity, great things anywhere in the world is happening with the interventions of the youth. Involvement of the youth is very, very important.
Absolutely.
Dynamism of the youth and wisdom of the elders. This is going to make the difference.
Absolutely.
So I consider elders as mentors. A mentor is like a Air Force air base, and the youth are like fighter planes. Any moment they can land in this airport, air base, and any moment they can take off. So the airbase mentor should always be alert. Which flight is finishing with the fuel, I should, and there is not a second to wait. Yeah, this flight is waiting to commit suicide. And if I tell tomorrow I will come and talk to you, by the time it will be lost. So if a youngster called a mentor at midnight at 12 o'clock saying I am in a problem, you please come or I will come to you. You tell me what should I do, immediate action should happen. Such kind of dedicated mentors, mentors only can make the youth empowered. When I am doing something sincere to you, we have created a beautiful media platform. And we have created, people told, see, the philosophy in the internet space is, it is like a rotten fruit to get more flies. If in the YouTube, if I make some nonsense video and post, I will get millions of views.
Yes.
It is as good as rotten fruits getting lot of flies to come. From where they come, God only will be knowing. We want super quality people to come into picture. We are not a place for onlookers to come and peep in and go. So the people who are coming into our program are participants.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now the second part is isolated. Everyone is weak.
Absolutely.
Together, everybody is strong. We are simply connecting people and creating a intellectual communication platform. We are sharing information. We are making very quality TV programs, and only it is creating further action. It is not end reporting. We are not doing reporting at all.
Mm-hmm.
Reporting is a post-mortem activity. Yeah, it is like something is finished. I have a friend. He will wait until the mistake is complete. He will not correct in between.
Okay.
He will not correct. Even if I am done 99%, he will not correct me. But once I complete the mistake, the next moment he will point it out. You have done it wrong. Yeah, that is
Okay.
what is reporting is all about. Reporting
Okay.
reporting is a post-mortem activity. Very rarely in post-mortem report will come, this man saved 30 people before he died in the water. Very rarely such reports come. We are only identifying people of golden worth people, not ordinary people. And we are asking them, do you have anything to do in a common platform? We are just telling everybody, let us be connected and we will do something for massive growth, not for 1, 2, 3. Suppose we are tapping tourism sector, let us tap something like created 50,000 tourism ambassadors in the country. When you say 50,000 tourism ambassadors in a country, it becomes suddenly everybody will get attracted. Maybe the Prime Minister also may show interest because we are creating activity for 50,000 people. Yeah. So like that, when we present bigger projects, it is easier to do also.
Absolutely.
Now everybody is facing crisis because they have invested huge capital. When we come together itself, our strength is multiplied. Now we are not going to ask the youth to do what we want them to do. We are asking them, what are you doing? What is your future plan? Is there anything that we can do for you? And we will be facilitating them some training programs. Our education system is academic. Academic is for knowledge, and professional education will bring you competence. So we have created a optimum sization called 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. If you take a calculator and put 7 into 7 into 7 into 7, you will get. This is our unit size. These people will be interconnected in an open platform. We will not make any kind of bylaws, rules, restriction, nothing. We are creating it open connection to people to interact with others and share ideas and connect with common and all those things. And we have one simple philosophy called work together, share equally. If I take up a project with you, we together will do it. Whatever revenue come, we will meet the expenditure, and whatever remaining, we will share equally. Foundation what you create should be very strong. Foundation can be laid later also. You need not struggle to make the foundation initially. So you need to simply have a master plan in your mind, broad in your mind. You need not give it explanation to anybody. You should visualize. Youth can be welcomed from anywhere, anytime. There is no restriction of area. There is no restriction of anything. Only thing is they should be dynamic. Yeah. Anybody who is telling, I am happy to connect with the teamwork, wonderful. We will welcome them. You will be attracting youngsters by giving them help. Now we are inviting them to the conversation, media conference itself is a help for them. Anybody who come and spoken, they felt very happy. We will help
Okay.
them to become best communicators. For best communicators, we will give a certification for them. We have tied up with some reputed organization for that. We will be giving them a certification. We will give it free of cost. We will give them 75 hours of work. We created a pattern for that.
So we would assign them some kind of task that is there, like we have limited 75 hours of task. The task could be related to their field itself, or it could be related to what we are giving them.
Major part is
Okay.
their contribution to their society. They need not do anything for us.
Okay.
Major thing is they let them do
Okay.
something for their community wherever they wanted to work. And let them
Okay.
self-certify. We don't want them to give any proof or anything. Let them
Proof and all. Yeah.
let them self-certify that I have done 45 hours of work for the society. Another 15 hours we want them to do into one communication activity we will give. Like that we will give two different activities. Now
Okay.
the immediate target is attracting people and bringing them. In the process, this magic 7 will be automatically formed. And one person can be part of different teams. All those things are open. What they should do, they should initiate some activity and conduct that activity. And whatever they do, they should do it as an economic activity.
Economic activity, as in, like, can you get a little more clarity on it?
Economic activity means anything which should have an economic impact. There should be some beneficiary to what they are doing. Some outcome should be there. For me, mock interview is a dummy activity.
Obviously, yes.
Let them go real to the field and do some activity and get the real feedback.
So it could be like, for example, if I'm a digital marketer, so I would train some students, or I would train some, maybe in the slum area or some area somewhere over there. I train them how to get into online business. And once that person is successful, that is the impact. That is what you're talking about.
What you are
Okay.
doing may be, you may not be personally getting a economic outcome out of that, but there is somebody benefited out of that.
Yeah.
That satisfaction is your outcome. If you take a PhD document and is there anything further happening to that, it may not be there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
Small things are enough, but it should be real things. Real things.